Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford stroker engine, 475 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1967 Mustang Eleanor replica. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build. We have the 408 Ford stroker engine, power forged pistons in there. We installed a double roller timing chain, brand new timing cover, new balancer, roller lifter camshaft, AFR American made cylinder heads, roller rocker arms in there, Cobra valve covers, matching Cobra air cleaner, distributor set in place, installed an MST ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel 750 CFM carburetor on there, mechanical secondaries, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball. You have the proper front sump oil pan for the 67 Mustang, oil pressure extension on there for oil pressure switch hookup, real easy to hook up right there. Brass freeze plugs, red ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there. High flow fuel pump, all the fittings, gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel line. Every engine is live run at the Engine Factory, fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. We'll set the ignition timing, adjust the idle mixture screws. It'll be completely dialed in, fully tested, ready to go. We have the proper standard flywheel on here for the 408 Ford, proper balance and tooth count, ARP flywheel bolts, pilot bearings installed, clutch pins in the flywheel, proper balance, PCV ventilation line on there, heavy duty Russell line. The manifold vacuum fittings are installed for easy vacuum line hookups, electric choke wire. This beautiful Raptor serpentine pulley kit on here, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, self-tensioning belt tensioner on here, keeps the belt tension at the proper tension. High flow aluminum water pump on here, coolant bypass hose, correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed, ready to go. 160 amp one wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there. So this is the way you get it, complete custom built for your vehicle, ready to go. So again, our 408 Ford 475 horsepower turnkey package engine. Thanks for watching.